Welcome to my channel, Glorious English. If you want to learn English through real stories and simple lessons, you are in the right place. Many people want to speak English, but they feel shy, scared, or nervous. Don't worry, everyone starts that way. Today, I'll tell you 10 easy steps to speak English without fear, not from books, but from real experience and heart. Listen carefully, feel every word, and practice with me. Let's begin this beautiful journey together. Step 1. Stop saying, "I can't speak English." The first step is not about grammar. It's about your mind. When you say, "I can't speak," your brain believes it. But when you say, "I'm learning English every day," your brain starts to help you. Think of a baby. It doesn't say, "I can't walk." It just keeps trying. Say this every day. I can speak English. I'm improving. Confidence begins when you speak kindly to yourself. Even if you say one line, say it proudly. The more you believe in yourself, the faster you'll grow. Step 2. Listen more than you speak. Before you speak, listen. Listen to English songs, short stories, or YouTube videos like this one. You don't have to understand every word. Just listen to the rhythm and sound. The more you listen, the more your ears will catch how words connect. Do you remember how you learned your mother tongue? You listened first. So, listen to English daily. Make it a part of your life when walking, eating, or relaxing. Slowly, English will start to sound natural in your head. Step 3. Speak small sentences every day. Don't wait for a perfect grammar. Start small. Say simple lines like, "I am happy today." "I love tea." "The weather is nice." Say them when you wake up. Say them in front of a mirror. You can even talk to yourself. Speak while cooking, walking, or waiting for a bus. You don't need big words. You just need to move your tongue and voice. Every sentence you speak adds confidence inside you. Step 4. Stop translating in your head. Many people try to translate from their own language, word by word. That makes speaking slow and hard. Try to think directly in English. For example, when you want to drink water, don't think in your language first. Just say in English, "I will drink water." Start with small ideas. The more you practice this, the faster your brain connects English words naturally. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Step 5. Learn through stories and feelings. Stories help you remember words forever. That's why on Glorious English, we teach English through stories. When you hear a story, you feel emotions, and those feelings help you remember. If you listen to the story of love, pain, or courage, the words stay in your heart. So don't only read grammar rules. Listen to real stories. Repeat sentences you like. If a story says, "She never gave up," say it out loud. It will teach you English and give you strength. Step 6. Record your own voice. Take your phone and record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Don't be afraid. When you listen to your own voice, you'll hear where you pause or stop. Do it again tomorrow. Each time you'll sound clearer and more confident. Even great speakers record themselves to improve. You are your best teacher. Celebrate your progress. It's your personal victory. Step 7. Use English in daily life. Try to use English in small moments. When you message a friend, write a few English words. When you order food, say thank you or please. Watch movies with subtitles. Write your to-do list in English. When you make English part of your daily life, it becomes easy. Don't wait for a classroom. Make your life your classroom. Step 8. Don't fear what people think. Fear of people's judgment stops many learners. Maybe your friends laugh when you speak. Ignore it. Remember, they laughed when you first tried to ride a bicycle too. You fell, stood again, and now you ride easily. English is the same. People who laugh are not learning, but you are. Speak for yourself, not for others. Courage means doing it even when you're scared. Step 9. Read and write a little every day. Read something simple daily. A quote, a short story, or a small article. Underline words you don't know and learn their meaning. Then, write one small paragraph about your day. For example, today I met my friend. We talked and ate ice cream. These small habits make your English natural and smooth. Reading grows your vocabulary and writing helps you remember. Step 10. Believe in small steps. Fluency is not magic. It grows like a flower. If you water it daily, it will bloom. Don't compare yourself with others. Your journey is your own. Even one new word a day is progress. Smile at your mistakes. They are proof that you are learning. Speak with joy, not fear. And remember, English is not just a language, it's a bridge to the world. Thank you for watching Glorious English. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching our easy English stories and lessons daily. Every video will help you speak more confidently. Remember, don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking today. Your voice matters. Your words are beautiful. See you soon in the next story.